Ever wondered if you could make money online, but thought it was too complicated or required special skills? The truth is, you can start today. No product, no warehouse, no tech expertise needed. Affiliate marketing is one of the simplest ways to earn from home. You promote products you like, and earn a commission for every sale you help make. It's a win for everyone: the company, the customer, and you. My goal is to make this process clear and simple, just like I wish someone had done for me when I started. We'll break everything down into easy steps so you never feel lost. You don't need to be an expert, just willing to learn. Imagine earning money while you sleep or spend time with family. That's the power of passive income, and affiliate marketing is your gateway. It takes effort and patience, but the opportunity is open to everyone. Let's put aside doubts and take this first step together. Your journey to financial empowerment starts now. Ready? Let's dive in. Your future self will thank you. This guide is for absolute beginners. No experience needed. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking for a side hustle, affiliate marketing fits your lifestyle. Work whenever and wherever you want, even in small pockets of time. You don't have to quit your job or change your life to get started. Many successful affiliate marketers began just like you, slowly, steadily, on the side. If you felt overwhelmed by information before, this guide cuts through the noise. We'll focus on one simple, proven method to get you to your first commission. No tech skills required, no silly questions, just a clear path forward. If you're curious about earning online, this guide is for you. Let's make affiliate marketing simple and accessible. You're in the right place. Here's how we'll break it down. First, you'll learn what affiliate marketing is and how it works. No jargon, just the basics. Next, we'll help you choose a niche you care about, and that can be profitable. You'll discover how to find great products to promote and join affiliate programs. We'll cover major networks like Amazon Associates and ClickBank, plus how to get your unique affiliate links. Then, we'll show you how to get people to see your links, using free, simple methods. You'll learn to create content with just your phone or computer, whether it's a blog, social media, or YouTube. Each lesson is practical and focused, so you can take action right away. No overwhelm, just clear step-by-step progress. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start earning your first commission. Ready to see results? Let's keep moving forward. Your roadmap to online income starts here. Getting started is simple. All you need is a device with internet access, laptop, tablet, or even your phone. No fancy tech or expensive software required. Just set aside a few hours a week. Consistency matters more than time. Each lesson ends with a small, actionable task to help you build your business step by step. The most important tool? Your willingness to learn and take action. Stay curious, be patient, and celebrate every small win. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. The path is laid out for you, and I'll guide you every step of the way. Are you ready to begin? Let's take that first step together. This is the start of your affiliate marketing journey. Let's build something amazing.